Hello, teacher. Voy a realizar la entrevista, la simulación. La persona que me va a ayudar no pudo, una prima, pues maneja el inglés, pero por motivos de trabajo no me pudo ayudar y necesito pues, realizar el trabajo antes de que me siga corriendo el tiempo. Voy a hacerlo de forma quizá pues simbólica. Voy a colocar mi nombre después de cada pregunta, como para simular pues quién es el entrevistador y pues quién es la entrevistada. Ok, empecemos. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. Okay, I am going to ask a few simple questions. It won't take us as long. Okay, that's fine. What is your name? And my name is Liseide Ruiz Vega. How old are you? Eliseide. I am 40 years old. Okay. What is your hometown, Eliseide? I was born on Caldas Manizales, Colombia. Okay. Where do you live, Eliseide? Now I live in the city of Bogota. Okay. What is your marital status? I am married. I have 2 children. Okay. How old are they? Eliseide. Daniel is 10 years old and Juan David is 7 years old. Okay, what is your hobby, Eliseide? I like history documentaries. I like so much. Okay. What are your skills and weaknesses? Okay, my skills are creativity. I adapt easily. I am dedicated and responsible. Okay, Eliseide. What are your weaknesses? My weaknesses are I don't like working under pressure. I do not concentrate if there is a lot of noise. Okay. What is your profession, Eliseide? I am a student, housewife. Okay. Talk about your working experience, Eliseide. I worked in 2 schools, one on the city of Bogota, and the other in the city of Bogota. And I worked in a handicraft company. Okay, what is your academic background? I study technically in preschool. Now I am a student in of-child pedagogy at UNAT. Okay. What are your personal qualities, Eliseide? My personal qualities are dedicated, motivators, positive, proactive, and teamwork, especially teamworks. Okay. What makes you the best candidate in this job, Eliseide? I am a good candidate because I am a person willing to learn and receive direction, advice. Okay, Eliseidi, one last question. What will we get if we hire you? If you hear me, you will get committed, respectful, loving person with principles and values to transmit to the boys and girls with whom I will work. Okay, Eliseidi, will we will be contacting you. Thanks so much.